हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू। Start. You can lead a horse to water, but you cannot make it drink. Full stop. The facts of this case bear reaffirming testimony to the wisdom of this proverb. Full stop. Para. This is a defendant's second appeal arising from a suit for a specific performance of an agreement to reconvey the suit property and recovery of possession. Full stop. The suit property is agricultural land bearing khasra number 694 admeasuring 2 bigha 9 biswa and 3 biswansi situate at Mauja Rampur Pargana and district Muzaffarnagar. Full stop. Para. The appeal has been brought by the defendant Indira Singh from the appellate decree of Shri Ram Surat, the then second additional district judge Muzaffarnagar dated 31/3/1995, dismissing civil appeal number 234 of 1976 with costs and affirming an original decree of Shri D.C. Srivastav, the then additional civil judge Muzaffarnagar dated 27/8/1976, decreeing with costs original suit number 64 of 1974 for the relief mentioned herein before. Full stop. Para. The decree of the court of first instance was affirmed earlier by the lower appellate court in civil appeal number 234 of 1976 by its judgment and decree of 30th April 1977. Full stop. The said decree was set aside by this court in second appeal number 1732 of 1977 with an order of remand to the lower appellate court requiring the appeal to be decided afresh. Full stop. It is in consequence of the order of remand made by this court in the second appeal last mentioned that the impugned appellate decree has come to be passed. Full stop. Para. The defendant who has failed before the lower appellate court a second time has brought the present second appeal. Full stop. Para. Kashi Ram, the plaintiff respondent in bracket for short the plaintiff bracket out instituted original suit number 64 of 1974 with allegations to the effect that the defendant on the plaintiff's request lent him a sum of rupees 2500. Full stop. The plaintiff could not repay the debt. Full stop. Rather, he was in further need of rupees 2000 that led him to request the defendant again. Full stop. The defendant agreed to lend a further sum of rupees 2000 on condition that the suit property be conveyed by the plaintiff to the defendant for a period of 3 years with a covenant that if within this period of 3 years the plaintiff would liquidate the debt by repaying a sum of rupees 7000 to the defendant shall reconvey the suit property in favor of the plaintiff by a registered conveyance, and that thereupon the entire debt, the principal and accrued interest included, shall stand discharged. Full stop. It is the plaintiff's case that he needed the money and therefore agreed to the terms. Full stop. The plaintiff in consequence executed a registered sale deed dated 27/1971 transferring the suit property in favor of the defendant. Full stop. The sale deed carried a recital that a sum of rupees 7000 has been advanced by the defendant. Full stop. It is pleaded that the plaintiff received a sum of rupees 4500 in bracket and not rupees 7000 in the manner that rupees 2500 were received by the plaintiff as loan from the defendant. Full stop. And further that rupees 2000 in bracket also by way of loan bracket out were received by the plaintiff from the defendant. Full stop. Over. तो फ्रेंड्स ये हो गया डिक्टेशन, ठीक है। 120 प्लस है और 2 मिनट बाद क्रिमिनल डिक्टेशन करेंगे शुरू। तो जो इस चैनल पे नए हैं वो उसे सब्सक्राइब कर दें, लाइक और शेयर कर दें, बेल आइकन ज़रूर दबा दें ताकि जो मिले क्या कहते हैं नोटिफिकेशन वो टाइम से मिल जाए, ठीक है। और अगले महीने आपका अगस्त में ही पेपर है गुजरात का, ठीक है, हाई कोर्ट का जम के प्रैक्टिस करिए और अपने दोस्तों से भी करवाइए, सब्सक्राइबर बढ़वाइए। जो जिन्होंने लाइक नहीं किया वो लाइक शेयर कर दें और सब्सक्राइब जिन्होंने नहीं किया वो भी कर दें, ठीक है। और अब कोशिश करेंगे कि स्पीड बढ़ा दें, क्योंकि 120 का तो वहाँ पे डिक्टेशन होगा ही, और गुजरात 120 का अगर लेगा तो वो जाहिर सी बात है बढ़ा देगा, तो डिक्टेशन हम बढ़ा के ही देंगे अब, ठीक है। तो चलिए डिक्टेशन अब क्रिमिनल थोड़ी देर में शुरू करते हैं, थोड़ा रेस्ट ले लीजिए। चलिए, जो भी सजेशंस कुछ देने हो तो दे दीजिएगा, ठीक है। 30 सेकंड बाद नया डिक्टेशन शुरू करेंगे क्रिमिनल मैटर का। चलिए शुरू करने वाले हैं, ओके। स्टार्ट। द पेटिशन हैज़ बीन फाइल्ड under section 482 criminal procedure code for quashing order dated 2011-2017 passed in complaint case number 2664/2014 by additional chief judicial magistrate court number 31 Lucknow and order dated 16/10/2018 passed by additional district and sessions judge court number 9 Lucknow in criminal revision number 966 of 2017 full stop para. In the petition, it has been pleaded that respondent number 2 Jagdish Saran had borrowed a sum of rupees 2 lakhs from the petitioner on 2011-2010. However, respondent did not repay the borrowed money full stop. On a request being made by the petitioner to repay the money, respondent number 2 abused him and threatened to kill full stop. The petitioner in this context submitted an application to the police of police station Tal Katora, Lucknow and higher police authorities full stop. However, finding that no action was being taken by the police, the petitioner filed a complaint case number 2664 of 2014 which has been rejected by the court below. Wide order dated 2011-2017 full stop para. Feeling aggrieved, the petitioner filed a criminal revision number 966 of 2017 before the Sessions Court, which too has been rejected. Wide a detailed order dated 16/10/2018 in bracket annexure 3 full stop para. Learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the learned magistrate has ignored the averment contained in para 7 of his complaint dated 12/8/2014 filed before the court below, whereby he had demonstrated that on a phone call the respondent number 2 used abusive language with threat to kill him and rejected the complaint on the ground of the dispute being of civil nature full stop. The respondent number 2 has committed a criminal breach of trust by not repaying the loan taken by him full stop. In this context, learned counsel relied on a judgment of Honorable Supreme Court of India reported in Kailash Kumar Sanvatia versus State of Bihar and another full stop para. Learned counsel has submitted that the learned magistrate as well as the revision court have committed a manifest error in treating the issue involved in the matter of civil nature full stop para. Per contra, learned additional Government Advocate Mr. S.N. Goswami, appearing on behalf of the state, has submitted that the orders passed by both the courts below are justified orders full stop. The dispute is of civil nature between two private parties as it involves transaction of money full stop. He further submits that none of the ingredients of section 405 or section 409 are attracted in the present case full stop para. I have heard learned counsel for the petitioner, learned additional government advocate and perused the orders passed by the courts below full stop para. A perusal of the complaint dated 12/8/2014 filed under sections 406, 504 and 506 IPC PS Talkatora district, Lucknow, shows that in paras 3 to 7 thereof, it has been stated by the petitioner that he gave loan of rupees 2 lakhs on 2011-2010 to the private respondent Jagdish Saran, who assured to return it in a month, full stop. Thereafter, when the petitioner tried to recover his loan, full stop, over. तो दोस्तों ये हो गया है, ठीक है. डिक्टेशन 125 प्लस है ये, ठीक है. प्रैक्टिस करिए, घबराइए मत, इसलिए क्योंकि डिक्टेशन ना स्पीड में ही आएगा वहाँ पे. इसलिए ये मत सोचिए कि जो है डिक्टेशन हम 120 का ही प्रैक्टिस करके जाएं. 120 का है तो आपको कम से कम 130 का डिक्टेशन प्रैक्टिस करके जाना चाहिए. हम तो 135 सजेस्ट करेंगे. आउटलाइन गड़बड़ाती ज़रूर है, लेकिन प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तभी कमांड आएगा, ठीक है. एग्ज़ाम में क्या है ना कि कंफर्टेबल फील करना है, तो कंफर्टेबल तभी फील करेगा जब आदमी 10-20 वर्ड ज़्यादा लिखेगा पर मिनट, है ना. तो चलिए अपने कमेंट्स बताइएगा. हो सकता है हम ज़्यादा ज्ञान दे रहे हों, हमसे ज़्यादा आपके पास ज्ञान हो, तो कुछ बताइएगा. कहीं गलती करें तो उसको सही करेंगे फिर हम. चलिए फिर रखते हैं, अगले डिक्टेशन में मिलते हैं, ठीक है. टाटा.